Science and technology have played a significant role in shaping the Philippines through its history, from ancient time to the present day. Here, we will briefly explore some of the most important developments in science and technology during both old and new times in the Philippines. Old times. The Philippines has a long and fascinating history, and during the pre-colonial era, several scientific advancements were made. Ancient Filipino were skilled in agriculture, metalworking, and weaving. They developed intricate irrigation systems to ensure their crops were well watered and constructed boats and weapons out of metal. They also developed writing systems such as the baybayin, which was used to record important information. In addition, Filipino made significant advances in medicine. They used traditional herbal remedies to treat various ailments, and they developed surgical techniques such as trepanning, which involved drilling a hole in the skull to rebuild pressure on the brain. New times. During the colonial period, the Philippines saw a significant increase in scientific and technological advancement. Thanks to the influence of the Spanish and Americans, the Spanish introduced new crops such as tobacco and coffee, and they built roads and bridges to facilitate trades. They also established the first university in the Philippines, the University of Santo Tomas, which helped to promote education and research. In the early 20th century, the Americans continued to promote scientific and technological process in the Philippines. They built hospital and school, and they established the Bureau of Science, which was responsible for conducting scientific research in the country. The Bureau of Science was responsible for several important discoveries, such as the isolation of rabies virus, which led to the development of a vaccine.
Today, the Philippines continues to make significant advancement in science and technology. The country is home to several world-class universities, and Filipino scientists and researchers are contributing to the global scientific community in fields such as medicine, engineering, and computer science. The government has also invested in developing the country's infrastructure, including building new airports and highways to support economic growth. And now, science and technology have played a critical role in shaping the Philippines throughout its history. From ancient times to the present day, Filipinos have made significant contribution to various fields, from agriculture to medicine to information technology. As the country continues to develop and progress, it will be exciting to see what new advancement will emerge in the years to come.
Thank you for watching.